Assam politics in brief. Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sharma, BJP. Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya. Legislature unicameral, single house, Assam Legislative Assembly 126 seats. Representation of members in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha 14 in Lok Sabha and 7 in Rajya Sabha. Speaker Biswajit Daimari. High Court Gauhati High Court also has jurisdiction over Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. Chief Justice of Gauhati High Court, Justice Vijay Bishnoi. There are 35 districts in Assam, each administered by Deputy Commissioner. DCs who recently were in news: Mridul Yadav, DC of Kutch, Shivani Jangal, Co-District Commissioner of Bokat, Seemant Kumar Das, DC of Dima Hasso. Prominent parties in Assam: BJP, AJP, UPPL, United People's Party, Liberal, Congress, ADRE, All India United Democratic Front. Party name: President, BJP. Dilip Saikia, AGP. Atul Bora, UPPL. Pramod Boro, Congress. Gaurav Gogoi, ADRE. Badruddin Ajmal. Education Minister Ranoj Pegu. Health Minister Keshab Mahanta. Finance Minister Ajanta Niog. Forest Minister Chandra Mohan Patuveri. Agriculture Minister Atul Boro. Sports Minister Bimal Boro. Revenue Minister Jogen Mohan. Prominent Chief Ministers: Tarun Gogoi, Congress, Prafulla Kumar Mahanta, AGP, and Sharad Chandra Sinha, Congress. First Chief Minister of Assam Gopinath Bodoloi. Assam Accord 1985. Chief Secretary: Paban Kumar Bothakur. Advocate General: Debojit Saikia. Director General of Police, DGP, Gyanendra Pratap Singh, GP Singh. Cabinet Ministers list with portfolio and constituency. Name: Portfolio designation. Constituency: Hemant Biswa Sharma.